Hello friends, welcome to my channel Suno Soulful Cooking. Today we are going to make a classic North Indian dish, butter chicken. It's very delicious and full of flavors. Here I have taken about 400 grams of boneless chicken cubes. To this add salt, 2 tablespoons of hung curd, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste and garam masala. Mix everything well. Finally add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Marinate this for about 30 minutes. Now we have to make the gravy part. Heat oil and butter in a pan. Add 2 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon stick. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. You can roughly chop the onion. Add salt and saute for a few minutes. When the onion turns slightly brown, add ginger garlic paste. Saute for a few minutes. Then add 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Add the spice powders, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, cumin powder and crushed kasuri methi. Mix everything well. Add about 8 to 9 cashew nuts. Add little water and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for a few minutes. When the tomatoes turn mushy, switch off the flame. Let it cool. Transfer this to a mixer jar and make a fine paste. Meanwhile, we can grill the chicken cubes. You can also use a regular pan and shallow fry the chicken cubes. Once the chicken is done, keep it aside. Now heat oil and butter in a pan. Add the puree. It should be a fine paste. Add little water to the mixer jar and pour it to the gravy. Let it simmer for a while. Add the grilled chicken cubes. Check if salt is needed. Add little sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Finally add 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Our silky smooth delicious butter chicken is ready to serve. Garnish it with some cream, kasuri methi and coriander leaves. You can serve it with pulao, chapati and naan. Even it is good with plain basmati rice. This is a very tasty curry and I am sure you all will love it. I have given a detailed recipe in the description. Thank you for watching.